Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Marketplace to your Facebook shortcut bar and customize your navigation tabs. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook homepage where you can view posts and stories from friends and pages. Now tap on Menu at the top right corner, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Preferences section and tap on Tab Bar. This is where you customize your Facebook navigation bar. Select Customize the bar to choose which shortcuts appear at the bottom of your Facebook app. Here you can see all available tabs. Find Marketplace and tap the Auto button beside it. Now, tap Pin to lock Marketplace into your Facebook shortcut bar. And that's it. Marketplace is now pinned to your navigation bar at the top. As you can see right now, the changes has not been made. For the change to occur, you need to close the Facebook app and reopen it. Now you can see that it replaces one of the other tabs in your top panel. You can repeat these steps to add or remove other shortcuts like gaming, dating, or groups to customize your Facebook tab bar. And that's how you add Marketplace to your Facebook shortcut bar. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more Facebook tips and customization tutorials. Thanks for watching.